Morning, my name is Kath. I'm one of Sally Holland's participation officers, and I would like you to have a little chance to reflect on your right to an education. That is the right of the month of September. It's a pretty biggie post-COVID. It's been big change the last few months, and we know from doing a survey and having a response from over 23,000 young people in Wales that 72% of teenagers 11 to 16-year-olds really missed not being able to spend time with their friends, and 47% were concerned about school closing. So we hope you're pleased to be back in school with your friends or learning at home through other pathways. So your challenge this month is to reflect about your right to education, but also considering in school and learning. So in education, what other rights can you now access because you're back to school? It could be about your right to meet with your friends. It could be about your right to learn and be the best you can be. So your challenge is to look at the rights and think about, whilst in school and back to education, what rights are you now able to access?